Good morning students of class 8B. Today we are going to discuss American War of Independence, that is American Revolution from 1775 to 1803. In the previous video we have discussed the growth of nationalism in Europe. We have discussed the factors that led to the growth of nationalism in Europe. Yes, and due to the growth of nationalism, we can say the people became aware of their political rights, their political freedom. Yes, and that's why its result was that the people of America, first of all, they declared war against the foreigner rule, and in this way they became independent. Yes, so we are going to read the story of American Revolution. So we can say that the first political revolution started in America. Okay, and with this revolution, the foreigner rule that was of British. We all know that America was a colony of British. Yes, like we were also the colony of Britishers. So America just was a colony of Britishers, and with the revolution in America, the rule of Britishers, the colonial rule was ended in America, and thus it resulted in the formation of, at present it is called USA, United States of America. Okay, so how this happened, how American people just got its independence, we are going to read the very interesting story of America. Yes, so as we discussed that due to growth of nationalism, this event occurred in the history, first time in the world. Yes, so this is the first political revolution in the history of the world, we can say this. Yes, and we all know that due to works of discovery that we have read in the first chapter, the Europeans founded the new world that is called America. America is called the new land or new world. Yes, so European sailors, navigators, they discovered many countries in east, towards east also, like Asia, Africa, and they also discovered America in the west side also. And in this way, we are actually discussing the background. Yes, so what was the background in America? Yes, so we are just discussing this topic that due to works of discovery, the Europeans found America. Yes, and we all know that the Dutch, French, yes, Spanish, Portuguese, British, they all reached to the America. Yes, and they just established their trading outposts in America as they did in our country, India. Okay, and in this way, the Britishers had 13 colonies along the eastern coast of America. Yes, so eastern coast, in the eastern side of America, British just occupied 13 colonies in America. Yes, and after that they started exploiting America, we can say its colonies politically, economically, socially, we can just understand. Yes, and in America at that time, the local people, they elected their representatives. Yes, and they just used to manage, administer their local affairs by themselves. At that time also we can say Okay, they also introduced many taxes, they also levied many taxes, the local people, but in certain things, the American people were not in the position to decide for themselves. Yes, like for economic development, maintaining relationship with European countries, expansion towards the western sides, increasement on taxes. Yes, such kind of decisions the Americans would not take at that time. Yes, these important things were just decided by the Britishers because they were the ruler of America at that time. Yes, and if such uh, things happened, then how America could be developed? Okay, and that's why we can say with the growth of nationalism, people of America became aware and they started a revolution against the colonial rule of Britishers, which restricted American people from doing such things. Yes, so this was the background, and in this background we can just understand that why people just revolted against the Britishers. Next topic is that increase in taxes in colonies. Yes, under this topic we have to read the very important thing, 7 Years' War. As we discussed that French, Dutch, British, they reached America, okay, they occupied some of the territories, like in India also there were many European countries, but finally in India also there was rivalry between America and between British and French, and finally Britishers got victorious and they settled over India till our independence. In the same way, the 7 Year Wars that was held from 1756 to 63. Learn this year also, from 1756 to 63. For 7 years, England fought war with France. Yes, and ultimately England got victorious in this war. Yes, and in this way, the authority of France over America just ended, and France just withdrew themselves from America. And in this way, the England got total authority to rule over America, to trade with India. To trade with America, and in this way they just utilize the resources of America for their development. Okay, and after the winning of this 7 year wars with France, Britishers actually increased taxes, okay, just to earn more income. And the very important act in 1765, the Britishers introduced a Stamp Act. Okay, so in 1765, Britishers introduced a Stamp Act. What was that act? So this act actually increased duties, taxes on all legal and commercial transactions. Yes, but we all know that the nationalism started during the 18th century, we can say mid 18th century, late 18th century, in America, in Europe. Yes, so the Britishers actually they wanted to increase the tax, but the people, due to growth of nationalism, the people of America, they just demanded for representation in the assembly. Yes, in legislative councils, in assembly, we can say, in parliament, we can say. So the people of America, they just said that if the Britishers would grant them representation in the parliament, then only the Britishers were supposed to increase the taxes, and then only the American people, they could give tax to the Britishers. And very important slogan was famous at that time, that no representation and no taxation. Yes, so no taxation without representation. This was very important slogan. With this slogan, you can just understand no taxation without representation. Yes, so they became aware and they wanted participation in politics. Yes, so they wanted political rights, so they wanted representation in parliament. And when the Britishers, after defeating the French, when they tried to increase the taxes on the people by just implementing an act, that was Stamp Act, people just refused. Okay, so I think you might have understood. And many uprisings, violent clashes spread in the America at that time. So in front of the people, American people, Britishers just go down and they just withdrew the Stamp Act. Yes, it means the taxes were not increased due to the awareness, due to the active participation of the American people. Next, in 1767, Britain once again tried to impose taxes on various goods like glass, paper, tea, paint. Yes, but once again people started opposing these taxes, and once again Britishers just surrendered before the people, and Britishers just withdrew those taxes except on the tea. Yes, so tea was the exceptional thing upon which the American people started paying taxes, and the rest taxes on different goods were just taken away by the Britishers. Yes, finally, in 1773, Boston Tea Party, it is very important. Boston Tea Party, what was that? So the colonists refused. Yeah, it means that the American people refused to pay taxes on tea later on. Okay, later on. Previously, in earlier times, they just agreed to pay the taxes. But in 1773, when the tea was imported into the America, some of the Americans were just said to unload the tea from the Britishers' ship. Yes, and it is said that the American Indian peoples, they just boarded the ship, and they, instead of unloading the tea to a safe place, they just threw the tea into the sea. Yes, and this incident happened at Boston. So Boston, we can say it was a place in America. Okay, a coastal area, we can say, because the ship was coming to that place, and it brought teas from different countries to America, and we already have seen that there was tax introduced on tea, and people just wanted not to pay taxes on tea also, and they did not pay the taxes on other commodities. Yes, so that's why some of the American Indian people, American Indian I am saying, yes, they just threw the teas into the sea. Okay, and this event is called Boston Tea Party. Yes, So this incident known as Boston Tea Party, and this event actually is part of the American Revolution. So Boston Tea Party, first time they they just protested against the Britishers. Yes, when in America, Britishers, when they tried to introduce the taxes, increase the taxes, people started just opposing. We have seen so far in the story. Okay, and finally they just opposed the taxes on tea also, and what happened at Boston. So in this way, people became just aware of the intention of the Britishers. Yes, and in this way the uprising started in America. This event, Boston Tea Party, actually sparked the revolution in America. Okay, so the rest story of American Revolution, how America got finally independence, we will discuss in the rest in the next topic. Till then, goodbye, thank you.